So this is our we screwed up video. We got all excited and ahead of ourselves with our new lifting control arm. This is my Ridgeline. It's a 2017 Black Edition. I bought it brand new. It's been heavily modified with every new idea I come up with. A lot of things that YouTube doesn't know about or social medias. And so with my single exhaust 2017, it worked great, but it's also got a subframe drop and a bunch of other things done. So before we released it to the market, I thought I've got to get a stock one in here and put this on a stock one. So I went to my friend Marco, who owns Max Truck here in Tucson, and he has a Ridgeline that's stock, with the exception it's got an MBRP exhaust on it. We brought it in, we took it all apart, we put the arms in, and they collided really well with the MBRP exhaust. So we're gonna have to modify, take some material off, and then we had a camber change problem because Marco's truck does not have the subframe drop. When you have a vehicle and you lift it, the rear wheels tend to camber in, and we dropped the subframe to straighten that out. This is already dropped and had everything done. So it ended well though. Marco gave me his exhaust. So now I have a dual exhaust to put onto my single exhaust Ridgeline, and I'll be able to answer the questions about how to get that around the exhaust. So we'll be working on that today. We'll post another video about it later today or tomorrow. Thanks.